just had into a survey. Customers rung up, made inquiry. They're looking for faster 4G internet solution, so they're going to go and survey for that. They're also looking for security cameras, so we're going to go and meet them, discuss them, have a look at the premises, and advise on the best solution for them.
Tell it when you're open?
So you can set it on schedules. We can set it on schedules. You can have them on all the time. Depends how busy this yard area is. You'll benefit from some local Wi-Fi, but the other thing we can do is we can supply what we call decos. It's a Wi-Fi mesh kit, and the Wi-Fi mesh kit basically are towers which we strategically place throughout the house. You get 3. And that basically sends that, creates a mesh. Over here would be quite nice, perhaps with what we call a turret camera. Gives you quite a nice wide angle, bit of a wider angle lens. Then you get really nice coverage of your perimeter in the yard. But I'll get Tom to send you an email with that. Yeah, absolutely, yeah, and I'll get him to itemise everything for you. So yes, we can make an improvement on your internet for sure.